Hello everyone, welcome back to Robinswoodshop. If you've been following the woven design videos I've been making, you'll know I made 4 boards. I did 2 cutting boards. Today we're going to focus on the charcuterie board. We're going to square it up, route the edges, put handles on, and then put feet on. So stay tuned and I'll show you how we do this. Wet it and you'll see this grain pop. Absolutely wonderful. There it is. Look at the difference. Gives you a little indication of what it's going to look like once the mineral oil is put on. Just going to dry it off a little bit, otherwise it'll take too long to dry. Don't need that much water on it. Look at that. Look at that. That's incredible. You got that edge there, that paddock, purple heart there, that walnut, deep walnut. Look how deep that is. I hope you can see that. Got like purples in there. Oh man, that's nice. Makes it fun. This is where it gets fun. All right, it's time to put the feet and handles on this charcuterie board. I have made 2 jigs. One is for the feet. So I've measured in, I made a block. And I measured in 1 inch and 1 inch that way. So 1 inch both ways. So when I put my feet on, they'll be 1 inch in, and that's where the feet will be. So all I have to do is stick that on the corner, make a mark. Same thing here. Same thing here. And same thing here. Sorry, I think I did that. You just couldn't see that. All right, so now we're ready for the feet. I'm going to use these, and all I have to do is, actually I'm not going to do these yet until I drill the holes for the handles. So if you go to my website, you can take any board that's on my website and add handles to it. And I give 5 options of handles. So I'll show those right now. And that's the other one there. Well, I'll go ahead and open it. So that's the options for handles on my website. Of course, you can go to a hardware store or online and get any kind of handles you want. I think for this board, I'm going to put these on. I think. I'm gonna choose those. Yeah, just because I haven't used those in a little while. So I'll put the rest of these back. And these are the handles we're going to use. But first off, I want to mark the for the handle. So I've made another jig. If you'll notice, I've got this piece of wood. So this just butts up against that. And what I have to do is I have to measure the center of the board, line the center mark up with that, and then drill here and here. And that is the same size as these handles, which is 3 inches usually. So, so I'm going to drill, when I drill it on the drill press, I'm going to drill down through the face because sometimes you get blowout. But I am going to put tape on, and the tape is inside the house, and I need to go get it. All right, I'm back with tape. It still tears. It was in the house, in a warm house, but it's still tearing. But that's okay. All right, I'm going to tape the bottom also. That helps prevent blowout. Also, I'll put it on another piece of wood. That helps prevent blowout. All right, over to the drill press we go. I got it over the drill press and I just realized I haven't marked it yet. So I got to mark the center. This board is just under 8 inches. So the center is going to be just under 4. So now all I got to do is find that center and then mark for the holes. Same thing over here. Now I can drill. All right, let's tape off. And this is the bottom. Yeah, that worked real well. No blowout. That's always good. Don't want to get all the way to the end and mess the project up by doing, drilling something. Okay, now it's time to get the feet on. So for these, I'm just going to make sure it's a little long. Okay, well it ain't once once you put the feet on there. All right, everybody, that completes the charcuterie. If you've been following this series, we started off with a bunch of boards, ended up with 4, finished 2 cutting boards. Now we've done the charcuterie. You see here we got handles, feet. I'm gonna make a nice, put some crackers on there and cheese and what have you. But stay tuned, keep following, because we still have to finish the coasters. That's going to be a little bit more involved with the resawing. So I'll go over that and we'll finish all that. Then after that, we'll do what's called a dizzy checkerboard design. So, but I got to go to the lumber yard first, get some more wood. But I'll finish the coasters next. Watch for that video, and then more to come. Thank you, and make sure you subscribe and hit the like button if you liked it. I appreciate it. Leave comments. I appreciate that. And thank you again. This is kind of being fun. You know, get participation from the audience, people leaving comments and things, and I'm enjoying it. Stick around and keep following. Thanks.